This is a blue Azure replacement motor for X13 motors. What this motor will do, it will spin and then it will adjust itself according to the resistance and everything in the duct. It'll adjust its own speed, it'll program itself to the unit. Let's check it out. So it's going to read the pressure, so we have to keep that door closed to program it. All right, now that the motor's in, the door is closed, we put power. Boom. Now we turn the unit to cool. Okay, so now the motor's on. You can hear it kind of trying to find its speed. It'll run for about 60 seconds, and then once it finds out where it wants to be, it's going to turn off, and then you can turn the power off to set that program if you're programming it. These motors also come set for whatever horsepower and whatever speed it's getting, so you can actually just do plug and play. Anyway, AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning, book an appointment online. Always remember to service your equipment, and remember, we go beyond.